Welcome back to another fantastic property tour, Rankin family. Today, we are back again in Venice, Florida, looking at a gorgeous model home. And this one is by Neal Signature Homes. This is their Palm Bay 2 model. And I'm excited to bring to you this beautiful product. Now, starting on the exterior, you see that we have the home surrounded by stucco. You are going to have some natural stone on the lower exterior. You have the tile and metal roof combination. And you may be wondering what in the world is over there to the left. So that would be your single car garage bay, and over here would be your additional 2-car garage bay. Of course, this is a model home, so they're operating that as the sales office. And when they go ahead and get ready for this one to be put on the market, then of course they would convert that so that way it would be a single car garage. Now, I love the curb appeal. Fantastic look from driving past this property. You will not miss this one whatsoever. Now, we showcased a couple models in this particular community, but never have we seen this particular builder. Now, I'll let you get a quick glimpse as you walk in this walkway. I love the covered front porch. You see you have plenty of space available. Then you have these stucco surrounded columns right here. And then the stucco continues in here. So before we head inside there, I want to go ahead and show you the front so that way you can see your view. That is an additional model home straight ahead by the same particular builder. And you see they're getting some other homes ready for sale. Now, before we enter, I want you to see this iron front door. You see it's surrounded by glass panes, so creating that modern, luxurious feel. And let's get you inside. Okay, so immediately whenever you walk in, this is the first thing you're greeted with. Nice large ceilings in here, beautiful chandelier hanging down. And of course, as you continue, that's going to continue to your great room. We'll see that in a second. But then one thing I want you to pay attention to is the fabric wallpaper that's going to extend all the way to the ceiling on all sides, as you can see right here. So nice, very sleek, and very modern. Now, before we continue, as always, I know I get comments about that often. We just kind of continue, but I want you to see the front door from the inside. Now, you have this one surrounded by wood flooring. We're going to see carpet inside of the bedrooms. That right there, straight ahead on the left, would be your single car garage. Like I mentioned, that is going to be the sales office. But before we continue, just want to show you that we have a nice little storage closet right here, and then neutral colors in here. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue. Look at this. Fantastic. Now I'm going to do a full pan so that way you can get the full scope of the common room. Look at this. Okay, so we'll start right here in the great room. You see we have the floor to ceiling electric fireplace. You see the vaulted ceilings continues from the great room all the way to the kitchen. Very sleek and extremely modern. Now you can see this. Oh my goodness. Okay. So the wood flooring is going to extend inside of here, right? So you have this built-in little bench right there, and that's going to continue acting as if it's like a nice little mantle or something similar, but very sleek and a great modern design. And then you have the open dining area right here. Look at this. So extremely spacious, open concept. That is certainly what I'm getting here. Now heading inside of the kitchen, look at this. So you have the gorgeous pendant lights hanging down right above our oversized island. You got quartz countertops in here. You got the sleek cabinetry, all custom. Then you see the quartz countertops are going to extend as far as the backsplash is concerned. You got a pot filler. There we go. My long-term subscribers, we talk about that quite often in the comments. And then look at the sleek cabinetry. Sorry about that, I can't talk today. So everything is soft closing. You're gonna see how much storage you have inside of here. Now it's funny because I had showcased a home not too long ago, gosh, probably about a month ago or so, and it didn't have any cabinetry in here. Y'all came for me in the comments. So I'm making sure that we choose models that have cabinetry galore. Okay, so you have this nice oversized farmhouse sink that's going to overlook your great room and your dining area. Look how beautiful that is. Then you got stainless steel appliances here, monogram, so you don't have to worry. All high end, you don't have to come for me whatsoever. Got your trash drawer right here. And then you have the sleek, modern appliances. Over here, you got the smart appliances. You see that we have plenty of counter space that you get to take advantage of, and the stack cabinets as well. Now, as always, we have to look inside of the refrigerator. It's a common occurrence that has to happen, or not, I have to start the entire property tour back over. Okay, so we got some bottles of waters in there. Got some additional cabinet storage right over here. Now, right here, you're going to have the double sliding doors. This is going to head into how they have it situated as a study, but this would be a bonus room. And make sure you stay tuned for the beautiful Casita. So look at that. So you got the clear story windows, or the upper windows, bringing in a ton of natural light. Look at this. If you need a little therapy section, or session rather, this is perfect for you. Now, I love the space in here. Now, let me know in the comments if you would continue to have the carpet in here, or if you prefer the hardwood flooring extending. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Straight ahead, that would be the Casita. We'll get to that in a second. I just want to surround the entire perimeter of the home. That way we don't miss anything whatsoever. Let's start this way over here. Now, this would be coming in from, of course, your 2-car garage. We'll see that in a second. They're utilizing it as storage. Now you got the double sliding doors going in here with the glass panes. Look how sleek this is. Nice little prep area you get to take advantage of. You see that you have your full dishwasher, an additional sink, beautiful backsplash, your built-ins straight ahead right over here, some additional cabinetry down right over here. Then you got your nice little storage area right here. It is refrigerated. Almost wanted to call that a food warmer. It looked like that before I opened it. So the one thing I'm noticing is that you have a ton of space available. Like I said, you can go ahead and prep all the food you need over here. Get this as messy as you can. Just have those doors closed, especially if your guests are in here, right? Okay. So like I mentioned, this is your 2-car garage. We already got the golf cart in here. So you definitely have plenty of space available. You got the epoxy flooring. You got the additional tankless water heater right over there. And then now going into our utility room. So that's an oversized GE washer and dryer. You got counter space over here that continues with the quartz. That wallpaper that's going to extend to the ceiling. High ceilings in here, or raised ceilings, I'd rather say. You got you an additional sink. And then all the cabinetry that you need. That is exactly what I'm talking about. Now, I usually love when we see a nice little counter space right above that, but no big deal whatsoever. That can be added down the road if you like it, right? Some folks don't really care for it. Okay, so this is going to be our first bedroom right here. So I can see that you definitely have a ton of walk room around here. You got your queen size bed. Then of course you got a nice little sitting area. You move this over a little bit more and you can fit an additional nightstand if you wanted to. Now right here is going to be your closet. Look at this, no wire racks. And then now our ensuite. So you see the raised ceilings continues in here. You got that wallpaper again that we're seeing. Then you got the quartz countertops. You got the sleek mirror, a sconce already built inside of the mirror for adding that nice modern look. Of course, your walk-in shower. So you got the brushed nickel shower head and shower valve. Really neat. Okay, so now continuing, let's go ahead and head over to this side. And then I should have mentioned that's going to be a 6-burner monogram stovetop. So that's neat as well. Now heading over this way, this is going to be your shared bathroom. This is a full bath, but you do have the shower tub combo inside of this one. You got tile flooring, of course. Then again, the sconce in the mirror, quartz countertops, and the sleek cabinetry. And like I said, this is going to be the shared one between the common areas and this bedroom right here. So you definitely have a decent amount of space. We're seeing that throughout these bedrooms. And then the common theme as well is these raised ceilings. Looks like we have 12-foot ceilings inside of here, if you can see all the way up here. So it really gives that nice spacious feel. Now this one's going to have a walk-in closet. You already got your built-in shelving again right over here to the left. Carpet extends inside of there. It is plush carpeting, so I can appreciate that. And then as always, we'll go look at the Casita a little bit later on. Let me make sure you see the primary suite first and foremost. And then we'll take a look at the Casita and of course the backyard. Okay, so now you're on this side of the house, right? You got your own separate wing for your primary suite. Now you're gonna have the French doors leading inside of here. Now we're gonna head straight over here. Before we do that, you see we have a nice little dry bar area. Perfect for your coffee. Look, if you add your coffee station right here and instead of having it in the kitchen, look at that. Look how many steps you eliminate. Add that over a year, 10 years, you can thank me later. Now you got your nice little beverage fridge down there or wine cooler, whatever you want to utilize it as. Some additional drawers and cabinetry. And right here, so you got the 12-foot ceilings inside of here, beautiful chandelier. That's a king size bed, your 2 nightstands, and you see we still have a ton of walk room. Now, me personally, I would love to have the wood flooring extend in here, but of course, you let me know if you agree in the comments. Now, this one is not for sale just yet. It is to be determined. Of course, you know, everything's for sale for the right price. So, you know, if it's something where you say, hey, I have to have this location, this model, just the way it is, you know, I'm pretty sure they wouldn't turn down a decent offer. But you see, you have this quick access door heading out there to your lanai. We'll get there a little bit later on. Before we do, let's go ahead and take a look at our closet. Okay. So already have our built-ins ready to go. Look at they already have a mat in here ready to go. Do some yoga or some, you know, stretching or exercising. You know, what better place right then right here, right? But you got the custom cabinetry and drawers in here. You got your chrome rack, so you don't have to worry about that. Plenty of space, additional shelving continue in here. And then that's going to be on this side as well. All right. Now let's go ahead and take a look at our primary suite. Now we do have the tub inside of the shower. I already know. Okay, I get you. I can already hear what you're thinking right now. I know my audience too well after doing this for some time. But past that fact, you got your waterfall shower head, both ends. You got 2 additional shower niches. This is going to be 0 threshold. I'm going to show you that right there. So in essence, no curb, real sleek. And you have plenty of room inside of that freestanding tub. All right, now taking a look right here, you got your sconces right above our circle mirrors, quartz countertops, chrome faucets. You have that nice neutral cabinetry here. Of course, right behind me is the water closet, and then your additional closet is right here. Look at this. So here's his closets. So you see that we have a ton of space in here ready to, you got some polos in here ready to go. This is Adidas, ready to go golfing right now. You buy this house, like you already got a nice start to your wardrobe right here. Okay. So a ton of space. I know you're probably thinking that was the only closet right there, but this is going to be separated by a pocket door as well. Let me show you. There we go. So real sleek, real subtle, amazing. Okay. Now, on a nice, beautiful day like today, you'd probably have the entire sliders opened up. That's a 10-foot sliders. You see that they are, you know, kind of hidden right over here. So I love that they open up completely on both sides, creating that indoor outdoor feel. And let's go ahead and take a look. Now, you see your extended covered area right here, your outdoor living. You get to take advantage. Look how much space you have out here. Now, before we look at the Casita, let me just go ahead and show you this outdoor fireplace. Really beautiful, surrounded by the natural stone, as you can see on the lower exterior. And then we got the wood paneling continuing to the ceiling. Straight ahead, that's where our primary suite would be. And if down the road you wanted to add some additional sliders right there, so that way you can have your little private access, that'd be pretty cool as well. And of course, what better view than the lake and the pool and spa. Now, right by the Casita, you're gonna head straight over here. You got your total outdoor kitchen. Look at this. How cool is this? So you have your little designated area right here. You have some additional little windows right there. But it doesn't look like windows. They have a screen right there, so you just open that up. But you see you got your stainless steel range hood right above that. Some additional counter space. And then you can see right here, you can kind of hang out here, have a fantastic time with the entire family. Okay, I already know what you're saying. Let's go ahead and take a look at our Casita. So there's sliders inside of the Casita. This would be opening up from your quick access door. Look at this. Amazing. So you got your queen size bed, your 2 nightstands, perfect to hang out here. Look, let's say for instance, you know, you need some seclusion or get a little tired of your family and just need an hour or two, head out here. Or if you have the mother-in-law to come and stay with you, she would have her own private room with sliders. We're spoiling the mother-in-laws nowadays. Just kidding. All right, so the tile flooring is gonna extend inside of here. Let me flip you around and then look at the raised ceilings again. Love that. Quartz countertops. You see you got some additional custom cabinetry with your stainless steel hardware. Same thing with the mirror frame. Then you got the chrome sconce right above that. Then heading in here, got your nice size walk-in shower. Plenty of space. And then if that wasn't enough, you got your full walk-in closet. Look at this. So you got your chrome racks. You already got your built-in shelving right there. Then you got your furnace right over here. But plenty of space that you get to take advantage of. I love that. And then just imagine walking out here on a Tuesday morning, sunny skies, beautiful views. You can never go wrong. But other than that, family, that was another beautiful model home tour. All right, Rankin family, that was it for this beautiful model home tour by Neal Signature Homes. Let me know in the comments below what you thought about this particular model. Is this something you can see yourself living in? Would you make any modifications? If so, let me know in the comments below. Of course, if you want more information about this home or any home we showcase, reach out to the information in the description. Consider hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss a tour every single week. And I'll see you folks on the next property tour.